Discussing about commodities in today's video about gold, silver and crude oil. Am I entering in a new long position or not? So let's get straight to the point. Starting off with gold and silver as of now, and since I made my last video on gold and silver, right now as you can see there is nothing much in the prices of gold and silver. As I mentioned in my previous commodity video, the same thing is happening. After this huge dump towards the downside, the price of gold and silver are again pumping towards the upside slowly and slowly, because obviously this huge dump, I mean, after that the bears got exhausted, and whenever these huge dumps and pumps come, there are very high chances the market can recover a little bit in the opposite direction. And there, I mean, the main reason behind these reversal is also that the smart people, they are the main reason behind these big huge pump and dumps, and they liquidate you guys and they use you as exit liquidity, and after that they get a very good entry price for their own trades. So for example, over here as you can see, we have seen a huge dump in the prices of gold and silver. So this wick, as you can see, from $4,640 approx to $4,400, this wick over here is the entry price for smart people. And when the price of gold was all the way down till over here $4,420, most of the people panicked, leverage traders got liquidated, and every retailer, I would say, ended up being exit liquidity and giving up a very good entry price for the smart people. So they entered in a long position over here, they bought gold, and they are already in profits for now, as you can see. So this is the main reason, and this is not just only for gold or any other commodity. It happens in every single asset that can be manipulated, from stocks to crypto to commodities. Getting back to the point, as of now there's nothing much in the prices of gold and silver. As of now they are just pumping towards the upside a little bit, and to be quite honest, it is just a sideways market, and I'm expecting the prices of gold and silver to dump towards the downside more, because this is just nothing for me. I'm expecting the price of gold to again dump from here all the way down till over here, minimum $3,900 or $4,000 approximately. This is my target, but again this was a quick sudden dump, so the price is right now recovering a bit, as I've already mentioned in the first part of this video. So yeah, I'm just waiting and watching the prices of gold and silver. As you can see, the prices of silver also dumped towards the downside, and as you can see this wick over here, this is where the smart people bought in and they're already in profits. And many people will say that this is just a quick small pump towards the upside, nothing much, but the main thing is that they enter with millions of dollars and with leverage, so for them this small moves makes a lot of money. So I mean, yeah. And also one more important thing is that the price of silver also is pumping towards the upside little bit. Overall it is just a sideways market, but the price of silver is also pumping towards the upside a little bit. Same is with gold also. And to be quite honest, it's like an impulsive move, correction, and then we can see one more impulsive move. And my stance on gold and silver are same only. And to be quite honest, let's just see what happens. Obviously I'm not taking any trade right now, and I'll just wait for the prices of gold and silver to dump more towards the downside, because this is absolutely nothing for now. And yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. Talking about crude oil, there is no sudden pump or dump in the prices of crude oil, and again same is with gold and silver also, because there's no such any major news in the world, and no such major macroeconomic event right now that occurred in the past 24 to 48 hours. So the prices of crude, gold and silver are kind of stable only. And I hope you remember my this long position trade, why I entered in this trade, how did it end up, and what were my take profit, my stop loss, how was I managing my trade, everything. You can watch my previous videos on commodity, you will understand. And for now I'm just waiting for the price of crude oil to go above this $65 level. So this is a very crucial resistance and very crucial level for me, $65 level. If the price of crude oil goes above it, then I will be more confident in trading crude oil as I am right now, because to be quite honest, it's just I think it's just my own opinion that if the price of crude oil goes above $65 mark and sustains that level, then most probably it is way less uncertain as it is compared to now. But let's see, anything can happen. And as of now, the price is in middle of nowhere. I'm not taking any trade right now. Gold, silver and crude oil, all these three commodities as of now are sideways. They are not pumping at all. And today is Tuesday obviously, and we have already seen a major dump in the prices of gold and silver and a major pump in the price of crude oil in the past couple of weeks, or I would say past week to be quite precise. And right now they are just sideways before a big major move again. It can be towards the upside as well, it can be towards the downside as well. No one knows, to be quite honest. I also don't know. And I just predict these things, and I will recommend you guys to do the same, that don't copy trade anyone. This is not any sort of financial advice, and just learn trading on your own. And I mean, rather than being dependent on someone, it is better that you guys learn trading on your own. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. Nothing much as of now in commodity. I'm just waiting and watching, and to be quite honest, I'm just sitting back and watching the charts of gold, silver and crude oil. And I'll make a new video if anything happens in the prices of crude oil or gold or silver, but as of now, nothing. What do you guys think? Will the prices of gold and silver again pump towards the upside and make a new all-time high, or this is the start of a so-called bear market, or I would say the bubble has been popped and the prices will continue to crash? What do you guys think? Comment down below, and I'll see you guys next time.